In this video, I'm going to be revealing a very powerful income skill that can help you earn $1,000 per day. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a high income skill that can help you earn $1,000 per day. So if you're looking for a real way to achieve your financial goals, definitely this video, it's actually for you. Okay. So first of all, this is not something magical that is suddenly going to happen. You need to watch the entire video. And most importantly, guys, you need to take action. Okay. Diana, it is real that you can earn $1,000 per day. Yes. Okay. Is this actually real? I have experienced that even myself. So I'm going to be talking about based on my experience. Okay. What income skill I'm talking about? Well, the income skill is affiliate marketing. Okay. Just in case that you don't know, affiliate marketing is when we have someone who create a product or a service. By the way, guys, more than 80% of the companies nowadays do have affiliate programs. Chances are that you're wondering, like, Diana, which kind of companies? Sony, Target, Expedia, Booking, Walmart, Amazon, Nike, Lego, and others, okay? More than 80% of the companies, because this is not something new. It's just that people are not taking the opportunity because they don't understand. And if they took the opportunity and they're not getting results, it's because the same. They don't understand how this is actually possible. Okay, so here you have a potential customer, someone who might be looking for a review of the product, who might be looking for an opinion, or maybe they have a problem that they would like to solve and they don't know what's the answer. And here you are going to be, okay? So you're going to tell them like, hey, do you want more information about XYZ thing? Check out this. If they use your link, you are going to be earning a commission. Okay. That's in a sense how affiliate marketing works. Okay. As I mentioned before, this is not something new. This is something that it has been around, to be honest, since the 90s. Okay. And more than 80% of the companies have this. Okay. So we're going to be literally focused on three things. Okay. This is not super complicated, but you need to understand how everything works in order for you to get the best results. Okay. So the first thing that you need to focus on is traffic. Traffic, what it is, it's literally eyeballs. Okay. You need to, well, to be honest, you don't need to find it because traffic is literally everywhere. Okay. People who are watching this YouTube video, that's traffic. If you create an Instagram account and people are start checking on your reels or checking on your posts, that's traffic. If you have a Facebook profile and someone is looking on the information that you post on your Facebook profile, that's traffic. Okay. The same with TikTok and any other social networks, or even if you go ahead and start blogging or post on forums. So you don't need to create the traffic. The traffic is already there. But the key thing here is that it needs to be target. So that means that the content that you're going to be building, and this also applies for pay ads, needs to be congruent with what you are actually offering. Okay. It needs to be congruent with what you're actually offering because it's not that you're going to be creating traffic just for creating traffic. And then people are complaining like, well, I have a lot of people out there, but I'm not able to monetize it. Okay. So I want you to take that into consideration. It needs to be target traffic. Okay. The information you're sharing, it needs to be congruent with your offer. Okay. So that's something really, really important. You need to understand who your buyer persona is. Okay. What are their needs? What are their desires? And you are going to be creating content and the same with pay ads based on that. Okay. Now you need to collect leads. Okay. This is actually really important because I know, I understand there is a lot of people out there who are with the hit and miss strategy, okay? They have, okay, the traffic. It can be for YouTube, okay, Instagram, let's say TikTok. It can be for a forum, Facebook. Someone can be blogging, okay, and then it's sending this people directly to the sales page. You are not going to create a sales page, okay? This is something that the person do, and you don't need to do this, okay? This is wrong because if they are not in the position to make the purchase right away, you're going to miss that opportunity. And most importantly, you need to have the opportunity to sell other products, okay? So what you need to do, you need to have the traffic, let's say YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and other, and you're going to be capturing their name and email address. Okay. You're going to be capturing their name and email address. And then, okay, then after that, we direct them to the sales page. Okay. With this system, you are going to have the opportunity to earn money while you sleep because this system is going to be working for you 24/7, reminding them like, hey, if you haven't purchased this product here, don't miss this opportunity. But not only that, they are going to have the opportunity to purchase other products and services as well. How do you create this? Well, there is a tool that I actually recommend, which is System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. Okay, with System.io, you're going to have the opportunity to use free made templates. Okay. This is what they call squeeze page. Literally, you're going to be asking them, or you're going to be asking people for their name and email address. Okay. So you don't need to have any kind of design skills in order to use this. Okay. For example, you can say like, hey, this is one that I like. Okay. I'm going to be using this. Maybe I'm going to clean it a little bit. Okay. So the design is already there for you to use. If you want something way more simpler, okay, you can actually use it. If you want to add some things, you can use it. If you want to delete some things, you can do that as well. So with System.io, you are going to have everything that you need, okay? Here, you're going to have everything that you need. You're going to have the opportunity to create the page, and you're going to have the opportunity to create the email sequence because this is an all-in-one marketing solution. So if you're ready to open your account, it's free to get started. I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay. So what else do you need? Okay. Now we already know that you need to drive traffic. We already know that you need to collect leads. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you are really interested to learn more about this in detail, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can start learning more about this. Okay. So we need something really important. We need to have a product that we are going to be selling. Okay. With affiliate marketing, you are not going to be doing the selling. Okay. That's something that the company is going to be doing. But you need to have a product. Okay. One cool thing about this, again, remember that you don't need to create a product. Okay. As a person who created a product in the past, I can tell you that that takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. You need to deal with payment processors. You need to deal with customer service. You need to deal with tech support and all this stuff. But as an affiliate marketer, you don't need to deal with that. Okay. That's the reason why when I put it here in my funnel, you notice that the sales page, I put it on another color. Okay. Because that's something that the person who owns the product, who owns the service is going to take care of. Okay. But you need to feel good about recommending the product or service. Okay. If you're like, I'm not 100% sure if this is going to be good or not. Hey, people know that. People feels that. Okay. So you need to feel good about selling. Okay. You need to feel good about selling. Okay. And you need to feel good about recommending a product or service. That's a reason why and this is just my personal opinion. Okay. Everybody's different. Everybody have their own their own flow. Um, they do have their own thoughts on that, but um, I only recommend things that I have used, okay, or I'm still using. Okay, those are the only things that I recommend because I believe in them and I got results with them. Okay, that's just my personal opinion. That's just my personal point of view. Okay, but at the end of the day, everybody have the opportunity to promote literally everything they want. Okay. So these are the three things that you need to focus if you want to have the opportunity to earn $1,000 per day. Remember, this is not something magical. If you really want to learn more about this, have a complete training about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay. So right now we do have a free training. I don't know for how long we're going to be offering it, but right now we have a free training. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell, share this content with someone you think he or she might need it. And I see you guys on the next video.